So okay, I wanted to go over one last thing, this word problem here in the lab manual. Number 3, it says the table below gives the outside temperature in degrees Fahrenheit on a summer afternoon, and it gives the actual time: 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 3:15 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 6 p.m., and the temperature. So when we're working with functions and numbers, sometimes we have to let our input variable or output variable be something that is numerical. And you might say, well, these are numbers, but you can see an obvious problem. 12 p.m. is before 1 p.m., but the number 1 is smaller than the number 12. And 3:15 means 3/15/60ths of an hour, not in the hundredths. So you can't use actual time when you are working with a function. So you just have to take this time that's in PM and let x equal something different. So what we can do is we can let x equal hours since noon, or 12 p.m. Alright, and then our output temperature would be in terms of hours since 12 p.m. and it's okay for it to be in degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's a trick that you have to do, that a lot of times students will come back and ask me about this problem and can't do it. Okay, so once you have that idea, then what we want to do is rewrite this table. And so if we're talking that x is hours since 12 p.m., then that would be hour 0. And that would be hour 1. And 3:15 is 3, how many hours? Well, 15 is a quarter of an hour. So that would be 3.25 hours since noon. And then 4:30 would be 4.5 hours since noon, and then 6 would be 6 hours since noon. And so then once you have that, then you can find the average rate of change between 12 and 1. So the ordered pairs that would work here would be, well, at 12 the ordered pair is 0.78, and at 1 the ordered pair is 1.82. And so you could find the arc by using the numbers 82 minus 78 over 1 minus 0, which would be 4. And then the units, remember, the y units are Fahrenheit and the x units are hours. So this is 4 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Okay, then it's time to interpret. So we made numerical x values, but when it's in time to interpret, we'll put the actual time in PM back in. So that would be between, not 0 and 1 anymore, between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. What's the function? Well, this is a temperature function, so the temperature, not arc, the temperature changes, not changes, it's positive. So we know the temperature is increased by 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Nope, that's not true. Didn't change by 4 degrees Fahrenheit. It changed by 4 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. So you could continue on with that.